Welcome back. Same clothes, new day. So right now I am taking this roof out. So I'm taking the screws out and everything because I'm going to remove these lights. Don't use them, don't need them. Taking them out, I have a new idea of how to get lighting, something that I can use when I need. So set you guys down right here. And whoops. See if it I want to sit down. Okay. And to work. Okay, roof is out. I've already cut the wood and oops, I'm gonna stain it now, or I'm staining it now. trapped. I don't want to break the wood because I'm gonna lay the new roof is the same type of paneling down onto the ground, and I'm gonna cut it out same way. That way the fan fits in there perfectly, and it'll just be without the lights. So I gotta crawl somehow out of the abyss, and this whole panel that I just took off has to go as well. So this here, this, I just need to pull it through from the bottom half. I don't need these cords. Lights are off, and then I can just pull it down from the ones that I've unplugged underneath the panel there. And this is still connected to my lights that I have for the van, the original lights. I have 2 lights that are still connected, so I'll just replug those into the panel that I have to recreate. But not too bad. Looks like I need this to stay up here. It looks like this needs to go over here. This is my solar, or my fan, I should say. This is my fan. Everything is still looking groovy there. I'll retape this stuff here that looks like it's kind of loose. The roof looks really good. You see how I use wood glue. Underneath this Reflectix, there's wood there. And that's why at one point I thought about building a shelf right here, because I have this wood here, and then I have this metal there to kind of create the shelf with, but I don't know if that's what I want to do. I think I have enough shelving. All right, let me get out of here. See you. Welcome back. It's a new day. Putting in the ceiling right now, and it's pretty simple. I already have the cutouts for what I needed, so I just have to put everything back together. Hopefully it's in good enough, we'll see. But yeah, got one side in. This is my fan wire. It doesn't want to stay up there. It'll stay up there when I put the other side of the roof in. But for now, it's just kind of hanging out. And then I'll figure out I need to get some wood to kind of hold this stuff up here so that it can adhere to the thing. So I'm hoping that by putting in some of my screws here that will help me a little bit. I think I shifted it over too far. Let's see. Sheesh. I think it was supposed to go over more that way. So I might have to unscrew it and get it in the right spot. Let's shift it. Oh my gosh. Well, let me get to work. So I have to go back to Lowe's because I cut the wood in the wrong direction. I cut it in the right direction, but on the wrong side of the wood. And so it doesn't fit. So I gotta go back, buy another $33 piece of wood just so I can make one cut. I have wood inside, but I need it for this panel right here. And it's just one piece. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna pull that piece of wood out. I don't know. I'm just gonna have to go back and get another panel because this one is completely, that's wrong. Just wasted $15 plus $6, so 20 something dollars because half of the wood I used. Oh, Angie. So I'm just gonna put my screws that I have back into the wood here and then drive to Lowe's. Oh, sometimes it just doesn't work out the way you want it to, and that was totally my fault. I didn't even look at the wood. I will be bringing the wood in, the one that originally I pulled down, and I will be putting it in just so that I can see which way I'm cutting before I cut it, because it's a simple 1-2 cut. I don't know how I messed up, but back to Lowe's I go. Okay, I am back and I have gotten the new wood. I've cut the new wood the correct way. I almost did it incorrectly a second time. I would have had to shoot myself. I just had a mismatched roof. But I'm gonna put it in now. All right, here we go. All right, y'all, so we're at the end of another vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, you can follow me on Instagram for daily updates or on my Patreon for early releases. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, love and light.